Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot a lot of video. You know, the market is crazy right now. Homes sell in less than a week. So if you're looking, it's best to get out there fast and see what's in store because it could be gone. So I'm on Blanc. This is a cul-de-sac street. This is the end and it's all city over there and ocean over here. This is a big house. It'll be exciting to see what's in it. Beautiful double doors. Yeah. Very nice, elegant living room here, and it's straight out to the ocean. Big view out there. What a neat room here. Nice room here. There's dining that you can still see outside. Staircase. On into our living room, family room area. Skim ceilings. Nice fireplace and on into the kitchen area. Wow, very well done. So you got a little workstation, then you have your wet bar, tongue and groove, cushion clothes, very nice. And your bar top here is perfect on the center island. This is neat. The skies here and bring a lot of light into this kitchen. And then you have this butler's pantry area. It's nice. You have direct access to your garage. Very clean. And then they have a laundry area here. It's nice. Nice cabinetry and everything. Beautiful room here. This is nice and open. We go right up to the view. Big view. So Catalina's to the left. You can't really see it. And then this Santa Monica would be off to the right. It's hard to see. I can see some mountains over that way. But I bet Malibu's right in here, so you have sunsets in front of you all year long. Nice beautiful pool. Great setup. So since we're on this side, let's go upstairs and see what we get. Wow, this is pretty. So this is our master. This is beautiful. Very nice. Big view from here. Wow. You're looking right down to Lanada Bay over here. There's Lanada Bay. Very nice. There'd be some city lights in there. Malibu's probably here. So the little island's here. That means you probably can see some Catalina here, just not today. So we walk through the closet, big closet, into the bath. It's got the tub, double sink, shower, and a step up for the toilet. Interesting. Oh, that's a window. Almost walked into a window. Okay, so that's one. This is interesting. It's like a closet in the middle of the hallway. And that's definitely a clothing closet. That's interesting. The back room, the floor color changes. This is a big rec room. We're using it as an office.
He added this on.
Yeah.
It used to be just single story over the garage.
Yeah, it looks like it was added on.
Well, then, when the developing guy built that place and violated all the deed restrictions and everything next door here,
Oh, and he
this guy got upset. And
said, I'll do it too. Oh, this one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Too close to the side yard, too close to the street, you name it, everything.
pretty room. I like the color. So this is Jack and Jill, meaning that 2 bedrooms attached with a bath. So 1 and 2, very nice. The windows are done, very clean. So there's still one more room down here. That wall really separates the whole house, and you have like a whole nother wing over there. It's more of a formal. Now you're back to what I would consider the original home. And this is the original master. So it's kind of a double master with what they have right now. Pretty. And the last room. And this is also en suite, which is great. So every room has its own bath. Well, the Jack and Jill shares a bath, but still. This is great. Pretty neat. Huh? Big property, big view, pool, got a lot of features that people would be looking at. If you're interested, give me a call. These things are selling very quickly, and I'm happy to help. So make it a great day.